What's up guys, it's me again, and today we have a quick tutorial on how to change the F10 climate control buttons that are worn off. So this will be a quick video of how to do it since I'm doing it for myself, so follow along if you need to do it for your car. So the situation is like this. This is the old buttons and new buttons looks like this. So I will just go on and replace the whole set of them. And the thing with these buttons is you need to remove them with a prior tool. Just put it on the side and pop it out. It has like a needle in the center that is holding the button in the center, and you can move it left and right like this due to that. So let's get the primer tool and get removing. I will use something like this. And you just put it on the side, and that's it. It's out somewhere in there, we'll find it later. And to install the new button, you just basically put it in to the center. Boom, easy as that. It's working, looks nice. That's the new button, that's the old one that's also worn off. So that's basically how you do it. It works the same way for the rest of the buttons. You just pop it out and put it back in. If this was helpful, drop a like, check out for these buttons in the link below. I will have them on bmwmods.com. If you need any tuning or modding parts for your car, just check it out in the link down below. And for the ones who want to see the full replacement, I will put them on dash now. Cheers guys.